last week, remember. Joining us now via Skype to talk about the new evidence is defense attorney Janet Johnson. She's in Jacksonville, Florida. So, Janet, let me ask you first and foremost, I understand there's something about Zimmerman's, or what could be Zimmerman's Facebook page in this document dump. What do we know about that?
Well, and it looks like it's a MySpace, which kind of tells you it might not be that recent, but it's not easily identifiable as being Zimmerman's. But the fact that Angela Corey, who I've known for 18 years, and she prosecutes here in Jacksonville, that she released it in this document dump tells you that she thinks she can tie it to him. And there are some inflammatory comments, mostly aimed at what he terms Mexicans, that, you know, I think she thinks are going to help her prove that there was a racial component to this shooting.
Well, speaking of a racial component to that shooting, I understand that there's some new information coming out about the FBI investigation into this case and what they said about this after their investigation. What are they revealing?
There was a report included in these 300 pages. It was kind of buried in the middle, but it was a Sergeant Barnes who spoke to the FBI who said, you know, here in Sanford, there will be an uproar among the African-American community if there isn't an arrest made. And he basically reiterated and said, what the community wants is an arrest. And, you know, if I'm Mark O'Mara, I'm going to try to tie this to the fact that 6 days later, Zimmerman was arrested. And whether that report was shared with Angela Corey or the governor who appointed her, I think there's going to be a question as to whether there was a political timing or just essentially a call that they do something, whether they can convict him or not, but they wanted to arrest him. That might be helpful for the defense.
What about this? Doesn't sound like it's going to be so helpful to the defense, but Trayvon Martin's cousin listened to that tape, listened to that screaming voice that we know there are contradictions. Trayvon Martin's family says it's Trayvon Martin calling for help. Zimmerman's family says it's him. What does the cousin say?
The cousin said he would swear on a stack of Bibles. He spent a lot of time, pretty much every weekend with Trayvon, that they were very close, closer than, you know, some first cousins, and that he is positive that this is the voice of Trayvon calling for help. That is, as you said, that's going to be a really crucial issue in the stand your ground motion in front of Judge Lester, because the parents of George Zimmerman have said that's definitely my son, and the mother and now the cousin of Trayvon say, I'm positive that's Trayvon.
All righty, Janet Johnson, thank you so much for your insight. Sure, good to have you with us today.